In 60 years, computing has gone from room-sized mainframes you own to invisible clouds you rent, to intelligence at the edge you never see. From centralized power to distributed magic, this is the cloud revolution that runs our world. Cloud computing works by pooling massive computing resources in data centers, then slicing and delivering them over the internet. Instead of buying servers, you rent capacity by the second. Instead of managing hardware, you deploy code. Virtualization splits one physical server into hundreds of virtual machines. Containers package applications with everything they need, and orchestration platforms like Kubernetes automatically scale resources up or down based on demand. The result, infinite computing power, available instantly, paid only for what you use. The evolution is dramatic. 1960, mainframes. In corporate basements, time sharing among terminals. 1980, client-server architecture. PCs networked to central databases. 1999, Salesforce launches software as a service. 2006, Amazon Web Services introduces EC2, and cloud computing is born. 2010, public cloud goes mainstream with Netflix. Airbnb, Uber built entirely in the cloud. 2020, multi-cloud and hybrid strategies dominate. And now, edge computing brings processing back to your device, creating a distributed cloud. From data center to smartphone, modern cloud architecture has four service models: infrastructure as a service, raw virtual machines, and storage you configure yourself. Platform as a service, development environments, where you just write code. Software as a service, complete applications, accessed through a browser. And function as a service, serverless computing, where you deploy single functions that run only when triggered. Behind them all, massive data centers with hundreds of thousands of servers connected by high-speed networks, cooled by innovative systems, and powered by renewable energy. What's next for cloud computing? Edge computing processes data closer to users for ultra-low latency, critical for autonomous vehicles and augmented reality. Quantum computing as a service will solve problems impossible for classical computers. Sustainable cloud focuses on carbon-neutral data centers and energy-efficient algorithms, and the distributed cloud extends services to physical locations while remaining centrally managed. The future isn't just in the cloud. It's everywhere, all at once. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.